In today's session, I am going to demonstrate you guys how to integrate GitHub Copilot, which is AI assistant tool. So the benefit of the this GitHub Copilot, you can utilize its AI power for your testing needs, irrespective of it's a manual testing process or automation testing process. So definitely it's a prelims video. It's a just I will be showing you guys how to set up GitHub Copilot to VS Code editor. You can set up it for any ID. It's a PyCharm or any Visual Studio related ID or any other ID. You can integrate this GitHub Copilot AI power to your ID. So for example, here you guys can see I have installed the VS Code editor on my laptop. So if you don't have a VS Code editor, so you have to go to Microsoft official website to download Visual Studio Code editor. You have to download that Visual Code editor to your personal PC, to your laptop. So here you guys can see I have installed the Visual Studio Code editor using this link, which is code.visualstudio.com and the download link. Now, as soon as you will install the Visual Studio Code editor to your laptop. Here you guys can see. So you guys can create a project, any project you guys can see. You guys can create here in Visual Studio Code editor. Once you like uh, install the Visual Code editor, so you guys have to go to you guys can see the extension, and here you guys can see GitHub Copilot. You means you guys can search that GitHub Copilot in this marketplace. This like a it's a like a extension. You guys can add it. So here you guys can see I have already added that. And if you have not added, or you are first time like adding this integration, adding this extension to your Visual Studio Code editor, so you guys can come to this place which is extension, and you guys can search it uh, uh, using like a GitHub Copilot, and you guys can install it accordingly. So once you guys install it, so here you guys can see uh, one more thing you guys have to do. You guys have to create a GitHub account. So for example, if you don't have a GitHub account, so you guys can configure a GitHub account and integrate this GitHub Copilot. So I have already taken a screenshot when the first time uh, I was integrating GitHub Copilot. So here you guys can see one more thing. This is the channel which recently I have like I have created, which is Automation 360 degree, and I am going to show you, demonstrate you guys in this first series of the automation testing series, like how to integrate GitHub Copilot. So going forward, definitely I will be demonstrating you guys uh, more automation utilities, how to design automation utilities, automation framework, and more thing on automation using AI powered, right? Which definitely will be very helpful for your team to automate any kind of need. And definitely more videos I will be creating for you guys, which will be very helpful for your team. So here you guys can see this is the screenshot when the first time I was integrating Copilot. So I was getting this on VS Code editor, like set up a Copilot. So as soon as you will click on set up a Copilot, this option, it will take to you GitHub website, which is their official website, and there uh, you can create an account, and automatically as soon as you will be creating an account, this GitHub Copilot will be integrated. So the next thing I am going to demonstrate you guys, like as soon as you guys will install this plugin, which is GitHub Copilot, and you guys just see this icon. It has many AI integrated power, but when the time will come, definitely I will try to cover you guys more and more its ability, like how in your test engineering process you can utilize its power. So let me delete the create a new chat, open a new chat window. So here you guys can see, for example, let me close it and show it you guys. Like, this is the icon will be created as soon as you will integrate the GitHub Copilot. This icon will be created. Open a chat, right? So here you guys can see it says ask Copilot. So I just, because it's my friend, right? Ask Copilot. So one thing in test engineering, definitely these are the AI powered tools, but we cannot 100% blindly these AI powered tools. Ultimately, it's a technology, and behind the scene LLM model has been integrated. But when we will be utilizing whatever solution it is providing to our automation framework, or for any automation need, if we are designing a custom automation utility, if we want to utilize its solution to our automation framework, definitely going forward, I will be creating some videos where the full-fledged utility development using its power I will show you guys. But whatever the final solution it will be giving it to you, you guys have to use your own judgment, and you guys have to see like whatever solution it is giving, it's perfect or not, if any kind of modification is needed. So that human intervention is there, that judgment you have to take, and based upon that judgment you have to utilize that solution to your automation framework. So for example, just in this session I will be demonstrating you guys just some basic question. For example, if I write like hi friend, could you please tell me what is smoke test in test engineering. So here you guys can see. So prompt engineering, what is the prompt engineering for these AI tools? Actually behind the scenes LLM model is integrated, LLM model is implemented, and here you guys can see these are all the LLM model which so for example, currently the default LLM model I have selected, which is GPT-4a, and you can switch to other LLM model also. And here you guys saw I asked like a small basic query like what is the smoke test. So it is giving me like with full-fledged definition, smoke test in engineering is primary test to check whether the basic functionality of a software application is working expected, and all these key characteristic, right? And with example. So effective prompt is very much required to get a proper solution from these GitHub Copilot, right? So this is a like a basic question I asked. And for example, if I ask like some coding question, for example, how to launch a browser using Selenium, launch a browser using in Selenium using uh, Python. So I asked this other basic question. So here you guys can see its power, right? So it is giving you the proper step, means for example, installing Selenium, run this Python command, pip command onto your uh, framework, and these are the steps: download the web driver, launch the browser using it. Is also giving you the code. So upcoming videos I will show you guys how to effectively utilize its power and build up a custom utility, automation utility, which you can integrate in your automation framework. I have already created a very full-fledged AI integrated automation framework for open source community. So upcoming videos I will demonstrate you guys. I will clone that project here in this VS Code editor, and will show you guys what utility I have created, how to utilize this GitHub Copilot integration to that framework. So that framework I have named it, it's a unified automation framework. So that fulfill all the need of a testing team for test engineering. And parallelly, I am working on learning AI agents and how to integrate those AI agents. And I have made a good progress on that, how to integrate those agents to your automation framework, to your test engineering, and as much as we can utilize, you can automate our manual process using that framework. So here you guys can see like it is giving proper solution in Python language. Any language we can ask, like Java, C Sharp. And these solution what it is giving, we can review, we can utilize wherever we want to utilize in our automation framework. So in this session, like I showed you guys how to GitHub Copilot, how to integrate GitHub Copilot to VS Code editor. So VS Code editor is a like a Microsoft given ID, like a open source community IDE, which you can install on your system. You can integrate a GitHub Copilot, and you can use its power to your testing process. So it was a basic session, but definitely more advanced session will be coming up on the way, and I will be uploading to my Automation 360 channel, and you guys can take its benefit. And main aim to automate as much as manual process we can do in test engineerings. And now we have this AI, so we can definitely use its AI, artificial intelligence, its power, and to automate as much as manual process. So in future, more AI agents videos I will be preparing for you guys, and the automation framework demonstration I will give you guys. I will be getting available that automation framework for the open source community. Anybody can clone it, anybody can utilize it, and definitely there will be proper documentation I will be uploading for you guys, which you guys can refer. And I will be also creating will be integrating that AI agent for you guys in that framework, and you guys can you guys can learn through that AI agent, who will go through the entire framework, and on the fly, like that agent will execute the script for you guys. So these were the things which I wanted to cover in this session, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for giving your time and watching this video. Bye guys.